Regular exercise and adequate sleep are crucial for optimal study performance, enhancing memory and focus naturally. Integrating these practices into your routine can significantly improve cognitive function and academic outcomes. Among the best methods, incorporating moderate aerobic exercise like brisk walking or jogging boosts brain health by increasing blood flow and promoting neurogenesis. A good practice is to maintain a consistent sleep schedule, ensuring 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to facilitate memory consolidation. Great techniques include combining exercise with mindful activities such as yoga or meditation, which can further reduce stress and enhance cognitive function. Practical examples include scheduling a 30-minute morning jog to kickstart your day and adopting a wind-down routine like reading or light stretching before bed to improve sleep quality. Research shows that students who exercise regularly and maintain good sleep hygiene perform better academically compared to their peers who neglect these habits. For instance, a study found that college students who engaged in regular physical activity and followed a consistent sleep schedule had better